Now coming up over here, we got a really large rock face. This is called Honolulu. It's very popular with the boat tours because the caves at the bottom are actually big enough to drive the boats into. One of them is the second largest sea cave in the world. And then we have this small little beach right here. This is called 2 Mile Beach. It got its name because it's a 2-mile hike from Kauai, which is the next beach up. So somebody got really creative with the name on that one. You got stuff like Kauai, Honolulu, Kalalau, and then 2 Mile Beach. So the best I can figure is that at some point in time, somebody from California came out here, couldn't pronounce Hanakapiai, so they had to come up with something a little easier. I say California for 2 reasons. One, I'm from there, so I can. But out by Santa Cruz, there's a 3-mile, 4-mile, and a 5-mile beach, so it just kind of follows suit. So now we're going to give you a grand view of the Nepali. Stefan, you're going to be up first as we're coming around here.
Seen these islands? Have you seen the beauty of this land? Do you know its people? Brothers, sisters walking hand in hand. Have you seen the ocean? Miles and miles of crystal deep blue seas. Can you smell the flowers? Fill the air with fragrances for free. This is
Now we're coming around the North Shore here, so this first beach right here is Kauai Beach. It is part of Hyannis State Park. It is the last beach on the North Shore that you can access with a vehicle. So you can't actually drive all the way around Kauai. You go from here to Pulihali State Park, which is literally on the other side of the Nepali. You have to drive all the way around the other side of the island to get to it.
Have you felt the power? Mountain craters throwing lava in the air. For its green swept beauty. From each island blossoms everywhere. Have you felt its spirit?
Now we have this large horseshoe-shaped reef right here. That is Tunnels Beach. Right over here, Rob. So now Tunnels is rated one of the best snorkeling spots in the world. So this right here, this big horseshoe reef right here.
This is a love. This is love. This land of love.
Yeah, it looks like a really coral reef right there.
Yeah. There's a bunch of extinct lava tunnels in there. That's how it got its name.
Have you felt the power? Mountain craters throwing lava in the air.
Now straight out in front of us here is Princeville. If you follow the shoreline around to the left, you'll see another large reef. That's where the waves are breaking offshore there. That is Anini Beach. That's also another great spot on the island to go hang out. Go snorkeling. And then you got the Kilauea Peninsula with the Kilauea Lighthouse out there on the end.
Their mother still is here. Colored rainbows stretch across the sky.
And then we've got Hanalei Bay and Hanalei Town right here.
make you cry. You will love these islands. Nothing in the world can compare. If you touch the spirit and the gift of love will lead you here. This is aloha.
So we're gonna head back inland and see if we can go find some more waterfalls for you. Now this ridge line right out in front of us here is known as the Sleeping Dragon, or the Dragon's Back. This was made famous by the song Puff the Magic Dragon. This is where they said that song was written. So next to the town of Hanalei, or Hanalei. So
Have you seen these islands?
now we're working our way out towards a waterfall called Namakama. It's actually a very large waterfall that you can see from Hanalei Town on a normal basis. It's going to be right up over here.
With the rolling waters, let the new day come. All the sons and daughters in the eyes of the morning sun. We are Ohana, wherever born and raised, and I will stand by you until my dying day.
All right, that huge waterfall's coming up here on the right.
I sing this promise, my word is deep as the sea. Dedicate myself to you, and you to me.
None of you look very impressed with that waterfall. Well, I guess it's a good thing that that's the one I was talking about.
Forever live in love.
So Namakama is over 2,000 feet tall.
Rise, let the wind come.
We're actually getting really lucky today. Normally there's a cloud layer in here that blocks off 300 to 500 feet of it, but we're seeing all of it this morning.
I will be there for you. Now as I contemplate this golden shore, so many riches here, who could ask for more? The spirit of the people, the love of family, these things that matter, these are the things I see. So let the mountain rumble, let the ocean rise, let the wind come howling. And you know I love you. You are my home and pride. When all is said and done, I will be there for you. Na na na, there for you. I'll be there. I will be there for you.
That is really impressive.
Yeah, sure is.
I will be there for